स्पेशली दिस एज एंड आई वॉज अ रेबल टीनेजर. मतलब मैं मार खून करके आ जाऊँ लोगों का. आई वाज दैट बैड. अभी आई बिकम इनटू अ बेटर पर्सन. ये ना साधु आयशा बन गई है. आई वॉज नेवर लाइक दैट. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मेरी मम्मी बोलती तू ऐसी थी, इससे बदतर थी, देख तेरी बच्ची वैसी निकलेगी. वो बोली मैं फिर बोला है कि तेरी बच्ची बहुत बेहतर है, तू जैसी थी बिल्कुल नहीं है करके. क्योंकि लिटरली मैं अपने भाई बहनों को मार देती थी. मतलब नीचे सुला के उनके ऊपर बैठ जाती थी मैं. मेरी ऐसी
पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोइंग अप, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोइंग अप. ये नहीं होगा तो मजा कैसे आएगा
मजा
लाइफ
करेगा,
में अगर
yeah.
भाई बहन सिबलिंग.
हाँ.
अभी यहाँ पे एक और टर्म आता है जो बहुत ओवर यूज हो गया है, सिबलिंग राइवलरी.
Hi everyone, I'm Aisha Sheikh. Welcome to my podcast Chai Shai with Aisha, powered by Procast Studio Dubai in association with AMG Digitech Solution, your one-stop solution for your printing, designing and digital marketing needs. And special shout out to our travel partner Takeoff Tours. Today we have Dr. Deepa in the house. So we have a parent coach and a teenage mentor. So I'm sure this podcast is going to be amazing. There's a lot that I'm going to ask you all. So we move forward. सबसे पहली बात एक तो आप लोगों ने जो फील्ड चूज किया है, आई वॉन्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वॉट रियली इंस्पायर्ड यू ऑल टू बी इन दिस. सो विल स्टार्ट विद डॉक्टर दीपा. यू आर अ डेंटिस्ट टर्न इनटू अ कोच. ये कैसे जर्नी हुआ? क्यों इतना इंस्पिरेशन तुमको इतना मिला कि तुमको वो छोड़ना था और इधर आना था?
Okay, I was a dentist by qualification. I did clear my DHA exams and start practicing in Dubai, but due to personal reasons, I quit and I was a homemaker for quite some time. And when I got some challenges around COVID time, like all other parents, with my son overuse of gadget, I started digging more into, how can I become a better parent? And so this journey started and it has not stopped.
Wow, that's how you have started. Amazing, guys. Any plans to go back to dentistry?
I wish UAE changes the laws, then I can practice both.
Okay, you never know. Let's manifest that.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll come back to the questions here about your fields. सबसे पहली बात for you. Okay, why is this parenting coach so important? से हम लोग को तो नहीं था, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने कभी parenting coach नहीं करी. अभी क्यों इतना ट्रेंड में जा रही है parenting coach?
There are many reasons. I'll just explain a few. In earlier times, when our parents were doing the parenting job, there weren't many challenges. We were living in a joint family in our own country. Now the times have changed. We are living as nuclear families where both parents may be working, so they have less time. And post-COVID, a lot of parents are facing the challenge due to the social media. The kind of information that is out there, the children are not able to understand. The emotional level has gone down. The children are facing a lot of anxiety due to the peer pressure, the fear of missing out. So here, the parents feel they are, not adept at handling these issues, and they need some kind of professional help, which can help them navigate these challenges.
Okay, that's right. I think earlier the parenting was kind of a little smoother than compared to what it is now. And I'm still learning every day. It's like learning every day.
Every day is a new day, new challenges. But if you have the right tools and techniques in your kitty, which you have learned, the newer ways of communicating with the children, especially the teenage, wherein there is rush of hormones and all the friction starts. Generally, parents come to me and say, my child would not do anything without me.
Okay.
And all of a sudden, as they have stepped into the teens, I feel this is not my child only.
Yeah.
And, the doors are closed and, there is a lot of space between us. So they are not able to understand how to get into their children's world.
Right. Okay. What do you do when you say teenage mentoring? What is that? It's a new term. Again, it was not that olden times में हमारे जैसे millennial बच्चों के time पे नहीं था. New thing है. So what is this teenage mentoring?
पहले क्या होता था कि जब हम जॉइंट फैमिली में रहते थे तो कोई मासी है, कोई चाचा है, चाचा फ्रेंड बन करके आपको कोई चीज़ सिखा देते थे, लाइफ लेसन दे देते थे. मासी ले जा करके आपको और जो नॉलेज देना है वो दे देती थी. आज व्हेन वी आर ऑल अलोन हियर, इन अ डिफरेंट कंट्री. तो इस चीज़ का बहुत ज़रूरत आया है टीनेज मेंटरिंग का. टीनेज मेंटरिंग में बहुत सी चीज़ें कवर होती हैं, जैसे आपका इमोशनल रेजिलियंस है, आपका जो फियर आ गया, एंग्जाइटी आ गई है फ्रेंड्स को देख करके कि मैं कुछ मिस ना कर जाऊं, तो उस वजह से वो किससे बात करें, किससे अपने मन की बात शेयर करें जो वो जज नहीं करेगा और वो सही सलाह देगा, ऐसा बच्चों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. तो इसके लिए यहाँ पे जो है एज अ कोच आई फैसिलिटेट. अब यहाँ पर I do talk to them about the holistic growth rather than just running after, just academics or any other thing. So I cater to teaching them about relationship management, bringing in a lot of spirituality to whichever religion they belong to.
Oh, that's important.
Talking about their cultural roots, the values that the parents want to inculcate in their children. On top of that, what is more important, which makes a child or an individual successful, is the habits.
Yeah.
So how can I help them have those habits in place, apart from helping them with the study techniques, or lowering down with the help of NLP tools and techniques to lower their anxiety or boost their confidence. So this is just small in a nutshell is what I do as part of teenage mentoring.
मेरी बच्ची को ले लो आप.
हाँ, आ जाइए. पहले उसका टेस्ट करूँगी फिर.
She's 14. She's good. She's better than all the other teenagers. I'm still the old-fashioned person, so I'm still figuring out how this teenage thing works. And मेरे को ऐसा लगता है जब तक मैं figure out करूँगी वो पार भी करेगी अपना teenagehood.
बहुत लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं, मतलब टीनेज टेरेबल टीन्स. आई हैव 2 teenagers myself, a 16-year-old and a 15-year-old, and I am thoroughly enjoying saying that it's the terrific time I am having with them.
Terrific teens हो गया आपके लिए.
मेरे लिए terrific teens हैं और वही मैं बाकी पेरेंट्स के लिए बनाना चाहती हूँ.
Yeah, I'm not facing that much of an issue, but it's still I find, because मेरा जो है ना, the worst thing is, which I've learned to understand, that I used to compare how we were raised with how they are being raised. And my husband is like, he's good with the kids because he teaches the older kids and I teach the younger kids. So I'm very good with the younger kids and special kids. But बड़े जैसे होता है ना, मेरे को बाउंसर जाता है, मतलब क्या भाई बच्चे. So that is what he has mentioned. Is that true?
See, parenting is also divided into 3 age brackets, 0 to 7, 7 to 14, and 14 onwards, which is the teenage. These days, the teenage doesn't start 13, it can be as early as 10 years.
उससे भी ज़्यादा लगता है मेरे को.
With the changing times and the influence of the social media.
Yes.
I would like to tell you here, which I just heard from you, is कि मेरी बच्ची तो मुझे तंग नहीं करती है. अब पेरेंट्स को मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि तंग नहीं करती, अच्छी बात है, बट आप अपने रिलेशनशिप को नेक्स्ट लेवल पे कैसे ले जा सकते हो वो आप सीख सकते हो. एक चीज़. और हमारी जब कम्युनिकेशन बेटर होती है, क्योंकि ये सारे रिश्ते लाइफ लॉन्ग के हैं, तो जितना अच्छा होएगा उतना बढ़िया है.
ट्रू. स्पेशली दिस एज, एंड आई वाज अ रेबल टीनेजर. मतलब मैं मार खून करके आ जाऊँ लोगों का. आई वाज दैट बैड. अभी आई हैव बिकम इनटू अ बेटर पर्सन. ये ना साधु आयशा बन गई है. आई वॉज नेवर लाइक दैट. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है, मेरी मम्मी बोलती तू ऐसी थी, इससे बदतर थी, देख तेरी बच्ची वैसी निकलेगी. मैं बोली फिर बोला है कि तेरी बच्ची बहुत बेहतर है, तू जैसी थी बिल्कुल नहीं है करके. क्योंकि लिटरली मैं अपने भाई बहनों को मार देती थी, मतलब नीचे सुला के उनके ऊपर बैठ जाती थी मैं.
पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोइंग अप, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोइंग अप. ये नहीं होगा तो मजा कैसे आएगा लाइफ में, अगर भाई बहन सिबलिंग. अभी यहाँ पे एक और टर्म आता है जो बहुत ओवर यूज हो गया है, सिबलिंग राइवलरी. हमको यूज ही नहीं करना है, क्योंकि द वर्ड्स हैव पावर. वी शुड यूज सिबलिंग हार्मनी. कैसे हम उन 2 बच्चे या 3 बच्चे के बीच में बॉन्डिंग इंक्रीज करें, ये भी एज अ पेरेंट हमारी ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
एक्चुअली ट्रू. आजकल ना बहुत ट्रेंड चल रहा है. शी इज लाफिंग. क्या पूछने वाली है अभी?
पूछो.
I'll tell you one, थोड़ा ये कंट्रोवर्शियल भी लग सकता है, जो करते हैं जो नहीं करते हैं. एक दिस ट्रेंड दैट हैज़ कम आउट, जो जैसे एस्ट्रोलॉजी होता है, न्यूमरोलॉजी, टैरो रीडिंग, इसमें देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड फिंगरप्रिंटिंग एनालिसिस. Yeah, fingerprint analysis. That's the word. Am I using it right way?
Yeah, you're right.
So is it the same? Is it the scientific version of Vastu or Vastu and astrology and all?
It is scientific, that is for sure, and it's been used for ages in India.
Okay.
It's come out again, packaged well from the West. हमारे इंडिया में इसका जो है रामायण में भी बात की गई है.
It's that old.
Yes. उस टाइम पे महाराजा राम को चक्रवर्ती बोलते थे, which according to the fingerprint analysis is the world personality.
Okay.
So this happens, these fingerprints are developed when the mother is pregnant.
Okay.
So is the reason in our Indian thing, be it for any religion, they say ki the mother should be happy. This is the reason. All these prints are developed from the right brain and the left brain. So we keep the right hand towards the left brain like this, and the left hand towards the right. We have 5 lobes: the temporal, occipital, parietal, frontal, and prefrontal. So here you come to know with your fingerprints what kind of personality do you have, what are your learning styles, what are your strengths, which career option would be the best suited.
Okay.
This is something which parents really look out for. It's like if you are working with your strengths. For example, if we put Miss Aisha into a job of a scientist or research, she will die. Because she'll be all alone there. Okay, there is no talking, which is absolutely contrary to her personality.
Yeah, so true.
So if we come to understand the personality, we can accordingly parent the child. So this is where fingerprint analysis comes into picture, and it has been really helpful for a lot of parents whom I have helped to understand why their children are doing what they are doing,
right,
and how the parents can help the children in a better way.
Right, that was a good one. I was like, how personality can help it, but that is true. The example she put in, कि मैं सोची क्यों भाई मैं तो merit student थी, क्यों नहीं survive करूँगी? And that is true. I love being around people. जितनी मैं extrovert हूँ उतनी मैं introvert हूँ, highly introvert. तो मेरी पूरी building के लोगों कोई नहीं जानता मेरे को, nobody knows. So I'm that introvert. So once I'm out, मेरा social circle खत्म होता है, मैं किसी को नहीं जानती, सिर्फ मेरा WhatsApp और मैं वैसे. So it and my work तो उतना तक ही है. So which is true, I would not survive. So I think अभी मेरे को समझ आ रहा है why इतना trend कर रहा है और लोग opt कर रहे हैं इस चीज़ को. And brain mapping भी इसी में आता है क्या?
It's the same thing. Brain mapping test का another name is dermatoglyphic multiple intelligence test. Dermatoglyphic means related to the skin. Multiple intelligence, because with these 10 fingers we are able to identify what are your strengths. And based upon those strengths, I suggest the career options, the hobbies. If a particular child is, parents come and say, ये मेरा बच्चा बहुत रोता है, छोटी छोटी बात पे रोता है, तो हमको पता चल जाता है कि अगर उसका इमोशनल लेवल हाई है तो लॉन्ग टर्म में उसको क्या ये एसेट कैसे बन सकता है उसका, और इससे उसको चैलेंजेस क्या आएंगे. तो अगर हम अभी से ही उसका रोड मैप बना देते हैं, उसकी तैयारी करते हैं, उसको कंडीशनिंग करते हैं बच्चे को, तो वो जो लिमिटेशन भी है वो भी उसकी स्ट्रेंथ बन जाएगी आगे चल के.
Oh. So Deepa, again for you. So how can parents balance being a guide and a friend to their teenagers? That's a very tricky one. बोलो, मैं सुन रही हूँ.
Okay. What I heard you saying is, how can parents be a guide and a friend? So
can they be both?
I'm coming to it. Parents should not be friends with their children.
Good.
Okay. The reason is that children will get a lot of friends in their life, but parents दो ही रहेंगे. तो हमको friend नहीं बनना है, हमको friendly behavior रखना है.
Okay.
We have to be friendly with our children and not friends. Because they should understand that we are parents. There are certain things we are doing with them. We are family. And what they can do with their friends, they cannot do to us. For example, these days the slang or the lingo they use, hey bro,
Sigma, sus.
Yeah, Sigma, sus, and all other great acronyms, which will let the viewers think for themselves. So, guide. Parents should guide the children as role models.
Okay.
So if you are insisting that your child follow a certain diet, then you need to follow that yourself right from the beginning. If you want your child to respect somebody, you have to do it, because children learn more by seeing than by just telling. So if you follow this mantra and be a role model, your job is sorted. You're already guiding them onto the right path, the way you want your child to come up.
Okay, cool. So ये वाला अच्छा था, you know. मेरे को ऐसा सारे बोलते हैं, I'm a friend of my kid. I'm like, वो that is a difficult thing, you know. Friend of my kid, like वो जब तक था एक phase, I was, you know, we were having that kind of a phase. मेरे को पता है बच्चों को कैसे डील करना है. जैसे जैसे उनके हार्मोन्स बदल गए मेरे को भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि कैसे डील करना होता है. And I'm figuring it out. I'm getting better day by day. But then ये I was always, you know, वो गिल्ट फैक्टर होता था.
No parent should go into the guilt, because your parents have done whatever best they could do according to the knowledge and resources they had.
Right.
You are doing the best for your children with whatever knowledge and resources you have. So
Right.
parents at no point in time should go into the guilt.
ना
No.
गिल्ट फ्री हो गई मैं अभी. So why should people come to y'all guys? You can start.
My brand is called Deep Parenting by Dr. Deepa. And many times people ask me, why deep parenting? The reason is sometimes parents come to me for a simple thing like anger management for their child. Could be 8-year-old or could be a 15-year-old. But as and when we start talking, it's like peeling the layers of onion. And as we go deep down, this challenge which they addressed or they are finding in the parent is child is going back to the childhood of the parent. So we need that kind of deep healing. So that is why I named my brand Deep Parenting.
Deep parenting.
Yeah, and it resonates with my name as well. Why should parents come to me? The reason is I literally, whatever I speak or suggest, I am doing that myself for the past 3 to 4 years. Be it the words that need to be used for communication, which we learn as a part of NLP. And from coaching aspect, I take the parents deep down, because a coach is your thinking partner. Sometimes there are certain realizations which come to the parents which they don't even know they have. Giving you an example, I had a parent come for a 12-year-old boy who had low self-confidence. And when I just dig deeper about what is the environment that is there in the house, and I took a pause, after a bit of silence, one of the parents said, I understand what's going wrong in the environment and I will correct it.
Okay.
So this kind of a deeper reflection can come only when you are sitting with a coach who takes you down that lane. And after 2 months, the entire family dynamics had changed. Not only the child was full of confidence, applying for various positions and things in the school, but at home also the entire dynamics had changed to a much more harmonious way.
Okay, cool. Dr. Deepa, what is your message to the world out there?
My message would be to all the parents out there, our children need us more than ever. So please connect with them before you correct them.
Wow. Thanks for being here. It was a privilege knowing your journey and your experiences. And I feel so blessed that I could share the space with you.
Thank you very much, Aisha, for giving us this opportunity of hosting this. And look forward to growing with you
Together.
to greater heights.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Because
yes.
my motto is, or tagline is, together for each other.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, so we'll give our last message there. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. That's Aisha Sheikh from the podcast Aisha with Aisha. Special thanks to all our partners, Procast Studio Dubai, AMG Digitech Solution, your one-stop solution for all your printing, designing, and digital marketing needs, and our travel partner, Takeoff Tours. That's Aisha Sheikh signing off.